Welcome to my Monday market opening. So today I want to analyze the markets. So today is Monday 11 May. So we want to check which pairs are going to be affected today by the news. So this is the first thing we want to check, and after that we want to see also what is like the markets showing us. So right now we want to go to the charts and then analyze what is there, and also the structure also of the charts. We want also to analyze it. So without further ado, let's go into it. Today we have news by 9 a.m. USD is going to be affected, but the folder is yellow. Existing home sales, we have GBP retail sales monitor, we have JPY household spending, we have JPY Bank of Japan summary of options, we have AUD and JPY again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the currencies that are going to be affected: US, GBP, JPY, AUD. These are the currencies that are going to be affected. So, and the impact of the news is not that strong. Without further ado, let's go to the charts to see what is going to happen when the news is going to come, and also we want to analyze the structure of the charts also. Let's start with Euro USD. So Euro USD, we received this is Monday market open, and what we have received is a jump to a gap to the downside. So which means that the US have gained power over the euro, because the market, we said it is going to keep moving to the upper direction, but this is going to conclude our move. If you can see it, let me go to one day. This will conclude our move, and if this is going to conclude our move, we have a higher confidence on where the market is going to go after this, because if the market is going to go to the downside direction, we also going to have like a lower probability if it was going to go there. But right now we just want to wait and see where the market is going, because today we have a jump to the downside, and our analysis is saying we need the markets to go to the upper direction. But as you can see from what we are able to analyze right now, is that the market is moving sideways. This is what I can see right now, without even trying or doing anything that is very hard or try to find. We want to look at what is the market doing on this period of time, the structure and the narrative of the market. Right now, the narrative of the market is saying between buyers and sellers, no one is in control, and also we are not able to see a trending. We are only able to see a ranging market, and this is what I'm talking about. Like, the market is just ranging at this point. It is not delivering to any target. It is just moving in both directions. So what I need to do right now is that I need to see if we can do some trades, but we will see if it is possible to do that, to just doing like shorts, moving, like trading the markets. Like, if we want to trade right now, we just want to open trades that are going to suit our structure. Right now the market is moving. Let me highlight it. This is the map which the chart is showing, and if I want to open a trade, it will be a downward movement, then an upward movement again. So this is what the market is showing us. The market is just consolidating at this point, and without hard feelings or what, we can see it that the market is struggling to get out of this point. So USD is struggling to get out of the consolidation, and now it is creating this type of ranging, and on the Monday market opening we have a jump to the downside. So what we are expecting from that is that the market is going to close it, and then if it is going to close this jump, and then the market will go down to reach this low, and when it reaches this low, we will see what is going to happen next. But obviously, if the markets return to the downside, this means it is trying to get another power to go up. So we need another power for the markets to keep on going up. So we will see, but this is what we are looking for today: a move to the upside and a close up of the gap, and then we'll continue our downside movement if we are able to see the power like coming off the sellers to take the markets to the downside. And when the market reach the downside, we will also wait for the buyers to kick in so that they will reverse the market to the upper side. So without further ado, also we need to go to USD card to see what have happened on USD card. We are only having a series of movements. Like, movements are there, but I'm not able to calculate them, because one thing that I can say on USD card is that the movements are they can happen at any point in time of any time, like any period of time they can happen. The candle can just buy a big candle, and a candle for selling can just sell. So that market, we need to be aware of it, because if it can create a big selling candle at any time, that market is very dangerous, because it will create a candle that is going to be opposing direction one day if you try to trade it. But right now, I just want to use that as my sign of, like, as my sign of awareness, because I need to be safe, so that I'll know the type of trades that I'm going to take. Right now, I need USD CAD to be stable, and if it becomes stable, I need also to see the structure. If the structure also is okay, then I'll open a trade. So this is what I am going to do for USD CAD. Nothing that I can say I need to do. We need to just wait for the structure, then we take a trade, not the opposite. Even if we see moves that are likely to be profitable, we need to confirm with higher confidence. Right now, we go to USD CHF. What we are able to analyze on USD CHF is that the market was moving to the downside last week. The structure is now coming into place that we can see. Yes, this is our 4 hour. If we go to our weekly, we will be having candles that are big, and there will be just a candle which will show you if the market was bullish or if the market was bearish. But what we see right here is that the market is at this level. So this level, the market will respect this level, or it is a demand level where the market will come and get strengthened and move to the upper direction. And this is one day of that. And if you can see that the market is likely to have a change of structure because of this break of structure. So this is the level the market have just came into it, retested to it. So this is the type of charts that I say I have greater confidence on them, and I'm able to trade them because I see what I want. If I see what I want, I will trade responsibly with managed risk and managed entry points. So right now, we want the markets to just return to the upside. Nothing else that we can say we need. We need the market to return to the upper direction. This is what we are able to analyze on. Yes, we need a move to the upper side to reach this high. First, take profit, and second, right here. This the move we need to see. Let's go to daily so that we can see if the move is likely to happen or not. But yes, this is the move we want. And the market is not going to close that gap very soon. And it has been closed by like a week. And we are able to see that the market did move to this point and went to the upper direction, and our change of direction, it will be right here. So right now we need a move and then it gives us a move to this zone and give us a jump to the upper side. So I just need to see if I can open a trade on this. Let me open a trade. I need to open a trade on card on USD CHF. I just see the opportunity to open a trade USD CHF. Because if I wait for it, the market is going to go up fast. So we need this type of movement to the upside direction, and I'm going to go longs on this one. From here, my stop loss will be right just after this, at this level, and I'm targeting this move. I just want to open a trade on this because the structure and everything is good. Nothing needs to be. I just need to open a trade that will be my swing trade for the week. I just need to swing on it. I just need to swing on it. Yes, I've opened a trade on so right now I just opened a trade on USD CHF. So yes, on USD CHF I have opened a trade on it. So I'm now going to NZD USD. NZD USD, we have a jump to the downside, which is good for us. A jump to the downside is good. And then now the market have finished closing up the gap, and this is what we need to see. So although like our direction is moving to the downside, the market is going to do so today. And yes, this is what we said we are looking for. Like, we are looking for this movement last week, a move to the upper side, a move to the downside, and a move to the upper side. Right now, we are able to take trades on that. So we are able to take trades on that. Like right now, I just want to look on it, to have a look on it, so that I can see if I can open a trade, because we need to have a short to the downside, a short to the downside on this, a short to the downside to reach this point, a short to the downside. So yes, yes, I have entered a trade right there, if you can see it. Yes, we are now in. So we will see if the market is going to take our direction, but it have finished closing up the gap which was created by the weekend. So we want a move from that to the downside, and today nothing is going to cause the market to oppose this direction. And this week, the news which are going to affect all the pairs is not there, but consumer price index is the one which we say we can be afraid of, but that one is not strong that much. So now we will go to USD, AUD, USD, no, GBP, USD, a very strong jump to the downside, but we said we are not going to be interested in trading this one. So NZD card also, we have missed the trade like at this point, and we said we are not longer interested in trading it. We are now waiting for it to have some move that we can say yes, like some structure. We go to AUD card, also no. BTC, no. And then we go to our gold market. So on our gold market, we have a turn to the downside, and the market was likely to move to the upper side, but now it is reversing with a strong rejection to the upper direction. And this is what we said we want: a move to the downside and a move to the upside. This is going to give us confidence in entering the market. On Friday, I said even though we have NFP, the market is not going to be affected by that, because it will have both buyers and sellers in the market, and the market will remain at that point. So right now we want to look for sales, but we need to be very strategic on the type of sell orders we are going to make, and we need to go to our 1 hour so that we will see how we can be able to trade that one. So the market just opened now. So if the market just opened now, we need to see what it is going to do. If it is going to clear the liquidity which is down below here, and also we need to give it the market's chance to clear the liquidity down here, and we'll find our trade on the pullback. Also, because we don't want to fight against it, because now when it is going to try to move to the downside, it is going to go under some like fight between buyers and sellers, but the market will be moving down, but also moving to the upside with like a consolidation type of movement, but the market will be having a direction, unless if the sellers are going the buyers are going to agree with the sellers, and then the movement is going to be a quick movement. But for now, we are not going to see a quick movement. It will be a movement which is like choppy. So we don't want that type of movement. We want a movement which is going to be quick, fast. All the liquidity have been collected, and also if there is hanging, it have been squeezed, then we'll enter our trade. So this is it for gold. We are going to USJPY. USJPY, I said the structure of USJPY is, I don't want to trade it, but we need a move to the downside at this level, so that we will take the market to the upper side at this level, and so that we will take the market to the upper side. But right now, yes, JPY, no. We go to Euro AUD. Euro AUD, I said it, the pair is now getting like our move, but we said we are not interested in it unless we see some potential moves that are necessary to trade, because some of the movements this pair was giving was not the one which I was looking for. So, and also GBP AUD, I don't want this type of movement. And we'll go to CAD. CAD on Friday did give us a move to the downwards to finishing by reaching this area, but Friday morning I said we are looking for the market to go up, and the market did not go up. So right now we are no longer interested in checking or analyzing on it. We need to wait on what is going to happen so that we will take another trade from there on CAD CHF. GBP NZD also, no, there's no trade that we can see we are able to see right here, or any structure that we can see. We are no longer interested on it, and we'll go to Euro NZD. Euro NZD, no again, but the movement for this one will be just to buy it. If you want to trade Euro GBP NZD and Euro NZD, you are going to look for buyers, because NZD is going to be under pressure this week because of the markets are going to be trading under the concept of which one is stronger than the other, because last week Euro was GBP and Euro was not stronger than this week with what I am able to see. So NZD is going to be under pressure of GBP or Euro, and also Euro is going to give AUD also pressure. This is why you are able to see the market is creating this big candle to the upside. Yes, so this is it for Euro AUD and GBP NZD. We are going to GBP CAD. GBP CAD, we received a move to the upside. We said we want, but now there is a jump to the downside. So we will see what if the market is going to give us, but we said we need a move to the upside on this one. So right now we will see if it is going to close this gap, and if it closes this gap, we will take the market to the downside on this one. So I'm going to check on it during the day so that it will be our move to the downside we said we need. So this is it for Monday market analysis. We have GBP CAD. We have waited for this move, and the market did give us this move. So right now we want to take the market either from this side to the downside. We have not this one, not GBP NZD. Also we have card CHF. No, we only have GBP card, GBP AD, not GBP Euro, not this one. Gold, yes, we are likely going to take trade, but it needs a lot of confirmations. NZD card, no. GBP USD, no. And NZD USD, yes. USD CHF, yes, we have a trade on that. USD card, no. Euro USD, we said we are not going, we said we have a chance to trade it, but the market direction is not what we need. So we have GBP card and USD CHF, NZD USD. So, and gold, at some point we are going to look on it. So this is the currencies that we have that we are likely to trade this week.